Hi, my name is Marcia, and I'm the owner of Marcia LeVake's Image Center, a specialty salon in Greenfield, Wisconsin for women with fine, thinning, and missing hair. Well, I have seen a lot of women with hair loss in my salon. Some of them have severe hair loss, some have a medium amount of hair loss, and some have just a small, tiny amount of hair loss. Well, you don't need a wig for everything unless you have a really serious amount of hair loss. So here's something that I do, because you'll be able to see a little bit that I have some scalp is showing there, and that can make a lot of people uncomfortable. So here's what I do. I use a product that's called Toppik, and it comes in a canister like this, and it has a sprinkle top. This is light brown that I'm going to use on myself. So this is what it looks like. It has a seal on here with a tab that you lift off, but I don't recommend taking off the whole top, because sometimes then it goes all over the place, and I want it to land exactly where I want it. This is what I tell people to do. I take off about maybe a fourth of the cover, the seal, a third of it. That way I have a much greater control, because I'm only going to sprinkle a little bit here around the front of my hair. If you have hair loss further back and you feel that you need the whole thing done in just one or two shakes, then you can take the whole cover off. But it's just better to take off a small amount. So I am going to show you what I do. And here's a product, another helper. This is an accessory that you can use to create a really natural looking hairline. This is going to create an irregular hairline like we have. We don't have straight, harsh lines in our hairline. This is going to give you that perfect hairline. It's great to use right in the top, on the front, on the sides, right here. So let's see how I do it. Okay, so this is the part that is a little bothersome to me, especially in the temple area. A little too much scalp showing there. So this is what I do. I take my little, it's called a Hairline Optimizer. It creates a very natural hairline, and I just insert it, and I'm going to sprinkle the Toppik. These are little fibers that are going to cling to some of my little short hairs at the scalp area. Just tilt my head a little bit, and I'm sprinkling this on. It's just a camouflage. It doesn't give me hair on the ends. It doesn't add more hair down here, but it's a great cover up so that you can't see those parts that are really bothering me. And after you sprinkle the Toppik on, you do have to use hairspray, because otherwise it's all going to blow away, especially if you go outside. It'll leave. It has to have hairspray on it to hold it in place. So you can see that is much better. It has filled those areas in. I don't feel like too much scalp is showing. It's a great product. I use it regularly on myself. It comes in about 9 shades. They can be customized by mixing colors together, and I can show you how to do that. And of course, these products are available at my salon. I have made a lot of ladies happy with this small addition to the way they look, how to fix their hair. So it comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. And here's one accessory I didn't tell you about. This is a spray applicator, which fits on the medium and the large. And this will give you pinpoint precision. It's going to be able to get in those when you have just a little spot and you don't want to sprinkle too much. You can hear that. It just takes out a little bit of whisper and put it exactly where you need it. Well, this has made me happy. I know it's going to make you happy. Give me a call, and I will show you right on your head which colors look best for you, what can work for you. Do you need 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors? I'll customize it for you. Give me a call. This is going to make